Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the KnitCrate yarn giveaway, and please contact me. My information for my email is down below, and then I'll just need your address so I can send it out to you. I want to thank you everybody for watching videos. I have had some videos that I just put out recently if you'd like to take a look at those, and thank you everybody for subscribing. Also, this is the KnitCrate website. If you'd like to be a member, it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. And you can go down below in the description and place my promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month if you like to. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Susan Showers, congratulations. So contact me as soon as you can and I'll send this out to you. And thank you everybody again for subscribing and watching videos. Lately I've been posting 1 to 2 videos a week, so come back always and see what my latest are. Lately I've been busy, so they've been somewhat easy videos, like real beginner videos. And then sometimes, like when I have time, I'm able to do like the scarves and headbands and the shawl. I have the virus shawl that I've done as well. Okay, so thanks again, everybody, and come back when you can.